Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential gadget for anyone who spends a lot of time on the road, the dash camera, featuring 4K front and 1080p rear recording, built-in 5G Wi-Fi, and a 64GB SD card. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. This dash camera is designed to provide both front and rear dual recording, offering Ultra HD 4K resolution from the front and 1080p from the rear. With a 170-degree field of view in the front and 120 degrees in the back, it significantly reduces blind spots. This feature is incredibly useful for capturing crucial driving moments, whether it's daily commuting or unexpected incidents on the road. The clarity of the video helps you retain vital evidence for insurance claims or disputes, making your driving experience much safer. One standout feature of this dash cam is its built-in G sensor. This sensor detects any collisions or sudden movements, automatically securing the relevant footage so you won't lose critical recordings due to overwriting. Alongside this, the dash cam supports loop recording, which means you won't have to worry about running out of storage space. It continuously records by replacing the oldest video files with the new ones, ensuring that you always have the most recent footage at hand. Safety doesn't stop during the night. With advanced low-light capture technology, this dash cam excels in nighttime conditions, providing clear and detailed recordings even in the dark. Plus, it features a parking surveillance mode. If your vehicle detects any vibrations or impacts while parked, the camera will automatically start recording, giving you peace of mind that your car is protected even when you're not around. For tech-savvy users, the integrated Wi-Fi is a game-changer. It supports an app that's compatible with both Android and iOS devices. Through this app, you can easily live preview, download, and manage your videos. Sharing your recorded moments on social media platforms is straightforward and hassle-free. And to top it off, the dash camera comes with a 64GB SD card included, so you won't need to make any additional purchases to get started. So, who is this dash camera suitable for? It's perfect for everyday drivers, rideshare drivers, and anyone who values safety on the road. Whether you're a commuting professional, a parent driving kids to school, or just someone who enjoys road trips, having a reliable dash cam can enhance your driving experience and provide an extra layer of security. In practical use cases, think about moments like an unexpected accident, or even just capturing scenic drives. The recordings can serve as a reliable account of events, helping you navigate disputes or simply recalling fond memories from your journeys. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't